nature is love. Hello guys, welcome to your channel, and today's share is about nature. The book says your true nature is love. I am here by the sea, contemplating my thoughts today after a long day of work. I need my me time. I need my breathing time after the whole day sitting in the office in long hours. So I must be here out in the nature to breathe the fresh air from the sea. And as I open my book today, it says, nature is love. And the book says, your true nature is love. And the proof is that you have an unlimited supply of it within you. No human being has lesser amount, nor does anyone have limits on the amount of love they can bring forth from within them. The almighty power of love ignites the law of attraction. It is the strongest magnetic force in the universe. Yes, love is very powerful. Love is the pure magnetic force in the universe. Why they're saying it? Because love conquers all, no matter what is the challenges, the difficulties in life. Always love conquers all, even how difficult it is. The almighty power of love is very important to acknowledge it, to embrace it, because that can give us our daily strength. We survive life because of love. As the book says, it's very difficult to survive this challenging world without love. Therefore, as they call it in the song, love is the greatest power of all. It is very powerful because it inspires us, it gives us the strength to keep on going no matter how difficult life is. We must acknowledge that our true nature is love. This is a very important thought in life we must acknowledge every day. First, acknowledge the love of yourself. You love yourself, right? You have to embrace your being you. Just be you. Embrace that certain moment. Enjoy who you are. Spread the love within you before you can spread the love for others. We must focus on our love from within. We must acknowledge ourselves that true love is really comes from within you, and your true nature is love. Yes, love gives us so much strength, so much inspiration in this life journey. We all have the strength and energy to do what we want to do in our life when we have the greatest love in ourselves. Therefore, it is very important from early in the morning that you have to be in love with yourself before others. Acknowledge it. Enjoy yourself being in love with yourself. That your true nature is love. And it is really, guys, an amazing thing Because when you are out of the nature, here for me, for example, by the water, it calms me down. Yes, nature has a very powerful influence to each one of us when it comes to love. Because when you can get the fresh air, you can enjoy the beauty of nature. You really can smile even you are alone. And that is what I am experiencing today as I go here by the beach, contemplating, thinking and updating my thoughts, and at the same time acknowledging the nature. It's really helps me to have a stress-free evening. After a long day at work, I needed to calm down, to feel a stress-free moment before I can get inside my house. So I am here by the beach, updating my thoughts, sharing my thoughts with you at this very moment. Thank you so much, guys, for listening. I love you all. Love is the greatest thing of all. Remember, your true nature is love.